Okay, go.
That's cool.
That's awesome. What is that?
What?
He folded it in the gift card mini holder.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And so it was showing Grant. Hold on. Perfectly.
Oh, how cool.
I scoured the dollar store looking for a gift. Darned it if I couldn't find one. Good luck, Tim and Linda.
That's awesome.
I only have one bar left.
Oh, darn.
For what, battery?
Yeah, but I have the plug-in in the car.
Grandma, how did it go?
It went good.
Really?
Yeah.
You're on YouTube.
Wow.
Go ahead.
I'm going with you guys.
Yeah, me
That's
too.
Maggie and Sharon. That's my Aunt Sharon is my godmother. Did you know that?
They're not heavy.
Yeah. His wife, Sharon.
No, they're not
was
married. Oh, they're Heavy and Sharon aren't married.
No.
Okay.
But she was married to my dad's brother, Uncle Bill.
Bill.
And Bill died shortly after I was born, and they were my godparents. How many people were here?
You get a head count?
No.
Do one?
Hopefully.
Hopefully they signed the
that'll
book.
be in your, yeah. I haven't signed it yet. I didn't see it.
The Browns. Kirk, Tina, Ian, Evan, and Caitlin. Aw.
Hey, are you guys writing down who gave you a...
No, we're leaving the
We're
card.
leaving everything in the
In
card.
the card, okay.
Till we get home.
No,
We'll
so.
fill it out.
You're such a brat.
Guys, give me a Christmas song.
Yeah.
It's all about Danny.
Hmm?
Is it all about Danny? Uh-huh. I could see that one coming.
Too much fun.
Can you see this one?
Freezing in here.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Another Sears gift card.
Yay.
Oh.
really?
That's from Charlie and Susan. Those
Oh,
are
really?
my people, my card.
Oh, ouch, ouch.
Is that how it works? No.
Pretty much.
Stop, put it back in.
You get a paper cut, you gotta be careful.
Wishing the best of everything as you start a new life together. Congratulations, and we are so happy for you. You found each other. Love, Charlie and Susan.
Okay,
Oh,
hurry.
sweet.
I'm going to run out of battery.
Okay, it's good.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Finish your card.
Sure. I am.
I'll finish. That's just
Yeah.
A couple more. Oh, those are...
Yours.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, I'm not opening
Danny?
I have to
Oh,
go to
I know.
bed.